Hello. Yes, is this Boeing? Yes, I was wondering if I could speak to someone in regards to the battery problem that they are having with their big airliner. Yeah, maybe the designer or someone in the design group. Sure, I'll wait. Yeah, hi, this is Herste Blurb. Who am I speaking to? Hi, Phil. Yeah, I was just reading about the battery problem that's grounded all your new airlines. I just wanted to let you know that I've had the same problem with some that I bought for a flashlight of mine. hmm And yeah, and did you keep the receipt for these batteries? Bring it back. Bring it. Hello? Hello?